Hey everyone, welcome back to Professor Abi channel where we make tech fun and easy. Today, we're talking about keyboard shortcuts that save you time, and yes, they're super simple. Section 1. Copy and paste. Let's start with the classics, the ones you'll use every day. Ctrl plus C to copy, Ctrl plus V to paste, Ctrl plus X to cut, Ctrl plus V to undo. Try them out. Now copy this video title and paste it in the comments if you're learning something. Section 2. Screen and Windows. Next, let's manage your screen like a pro. Alt plus Tab to switch between open apps. Windows key plus D to show your desktop instantly. Ctrl plus T to open a new browser tab. Ctrl plus W to close the current tab. No more clicking around. These will speed things up big time. Section 3. Search and save. Need to find something fast. Try these. Ctrl plus F to find text on a page. Ctrl plus S to save your work. Do this often. Ctrl plus P to print quickly. These shortcuts help you avoid disasters like losing a document. Section 4. Bonus shortcuts. Here are a couple of bonus ones that even pros forget. Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager directly. Windows key plus L to lock your computer instantly. Great when stepping away. Smart, right? Which shortcut was new to you? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips with Professor Abi. Stay smart, stay curious. See you next time.